Sight words. Today we learn 3-letter sight words. Sight words helps us in reading and writing. So let's start sight word. The meaning wo and meaning और, you meaning तुम, was meaning था, for meaning के लिए, are meaning रहे हैं, his meaning उसका, one meaning एक, had meaning चुका था, but meaning लेकिन, not meaning नहीं, all meaning सब, can meaning सकता है, use meaning इस्तेमाल, she meaning वो, how meaning कैसे, out meaning बाहर, her meaning उसका, him meaning उसे, has meaning है, to meaning दो, see meaning देखो, way meaning रास्ता, who meaning कौन, its meaning इसका, now meaning अब, day meaning दिन, did meaning किया, get meaning हासिल करना, may meaning हो सकता है. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like, share our videos. Thanks for watching.